I'm going to take you behind the barn door to hear this cow talk to me. Hi. Hi there, cutie. You want to do a moo again? Yeah. You want to do a moo? Another moo. Hungry? Huh? Huh? You want to do another moo? Whoa, you're a mooer today, aren't you? Hey, I love that one. One more? For the boys and girls, come on. I hear a pig. What a nice ear. You're so pretty. Isn't she pretty, boys and girls? This is such a pretty cow. Come on, lift your head up. Come on, lift your head up. Lift your head up. How about the ear? How does it look on me, boys and girls? How does that ear look on me? Yes. Moo. Yes. How about another one? How about another one? Such a good girl. Whoa! I love that one. I love that. Yes, I love that. Let's see your mouth. Lift up your mouth. Lift up your mouth. Do you think she'll lift up her mouth, boys and girls? Oh, here comes another cow. Look. Oh, look at that beautiful cow. Ooh, I think you're next. I think you're going to be milked. Are you going to move for the boys and girls? They'd love to hear your voice. Can you move for us, huh? Your little kids. Black Angus. Yes. You gonna come over here and talk to me? What? Are you trying to hide from me? Are you trying to hide from me? Come on out and meet the boys and girls. You gonna get your salt lick? Come up here and see me. Come on. Hey there. Where are you? Huh? How are you? Good? About 8 to 10 months old. Black Angus. Yes, a Black Angus. Yes, you're a cutie. Yes, you are. Hi, how are you? Ooh, you're smelling me? You're smelling me, huh? You're smelling me, huh? I smell you too. You smell like hay. You're a male. You're a male. Yes, you're Black Angus, huh? 8 months old. Yes, look at that mouth. Licky, licky, huh? Licky, licky, huh? Yes. Whoa! Right in my face. You blew right in my face. You're blowing into my face. Yes, you are. What? Are you hungry? Oh, that's loud. Let's see your face. That was loud. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. coming back, boys and girls. He's coming back to moo for us. Moo. That's it. You're telling them that you can move. Yes. Let's see if you'll come back now, boys and girls. Come back. Yes, we're back. We're back. We're back. Yes. He's telling Farmer Joe, bring my food. Here we go again. Oh, a small moo that time. You gonna come back to me? Gonna come back to me? Here we go again, boys and girls. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna come back? Yes, here we are again. Here we are again. Yes. Yeah. Moo. Yes, moo. Can I hear you? Can I hear you moo? Huh? Can I hear you moo? Can the boys and girls hear you moo? Can we hear you again? Huh? Come on, moo. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Moo, moo. Oh, I know. Where's Farmer Joe? Yeah, that tells Farmer Joe. That tells Farmer Joe you're hungry. Where is he? You hear kids? I hear kids too. They're coming to see you. Yeah. See? See, they're coming to see you. Yes, they are. And we're back again, aren't we? We're back again. Yes, we are. I can smell your breath. Yes, I can smell it. And the kids, they heard you. They heard that loud. Mama to be, come and see me. Come and see me. Girls, there's a baby inside this cow. See her tummy? She's going to have a baby in about a month. That's what Farmer Joe said. You're going to be a mama in a month. I can't wait to see that cute little baby. I think he said July 5th or 6th. Whoa, July baby. Almost a July 4th baby, maybe. Got a baby cow. Look at the proud mama. She had her baby. Yes, she did. So happy. Scared the baby. Newborn. Barely walk. Good job, Mama. be a day or two old. Really wobbly. Close up and personal with the baby. Ah, hi baby. Hi, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. The boys and girls are gonna love watching you grow up. Huh? Yes, they are. Look like you're a day or two old, huh? What a sweetie. Yes, you are. I've known your mommy for a long time. Yes, I have. I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl. No, I don't know yet. So pretty, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. A newborn.
Whoa.